Can you explain to me, exactly what the dispensing fee is? Is it just what it says, or is there something more to it?
It is exactly what it says. Given the independent pharmacy and that sector, we're not in any way trying to spike them out or highlight them. We know that they are deeply committed to the communities that they've served, and they've served for decades. Many of them are family-owned and operated organizations. What we're attempting to do with the dispensing fee is bring these fees in alignment with what the commercial payers are currently paying for dispensing. So I understand it is a reduction, and all reductions are problematic, but this isn't an attempt to harm them in a material way.
So when you say commercial, are
Yes.
you referring to the large chain
Aetnas.
stores?
No. I'm talking about the other payers like the Aetnas, the United Healthcare. It's what they pay for dispensing fees.
And so when you looked at this proposal, did you stop to think about the small business community at all, and how it would affect them? Do you agree that is this a significant change for them in the state?
Any loss, any adjustment in revenue can create harm. We don't know the extent necessarily, but we're in difficult times. I don't believe that we would make these adjustments if the budget were better. But it is what it is, and we hope that with your participation and that of this committee, the end result of this budget will be one that is one that we feel better about.
Thank you. Thank you for that response. I guess I understand a few years ago, before my time, the legislature required different reimbursement between independent pharmacies and chain pharmacies. If that's true, did it occur, or is it still something that hasn't been instituted?
Good afternoon, Representative. Again, Kate McEVoy. It is, in fact, the case that the legislature enacted authorization to DSS to pursue a differential rate of reimbursement for the small pharmacies. But regrettably, in putting this forward to CMS to seek a state plan amendment, which is what is required procedurally to alter our Medicaid state plan, we were not able to be persuasive with CMS as to what distinguished the small pharmacies from the chains for purposes of reimbursement. So that was ultimately withdrawn.